All right, so you've been thinking about maybe moving to Austin, Texas, or one of the surrounding suburbs, maybe somewhere like Dripping Springs, Texas, which is where I am today. Guys, you have found the right YouTube channel. You found the right video. I'm Chris Pesek. I'm a broker associate at Pesek Properties, family business here in Dripping Springs. And let's be honest, broker associate is a name for a realtor with a lot of extra education. And the whole point behind this channel and behind this video is when you're ready to make a move here, I want you to give me a call. I want to help you out because I'm pretty good at what I do. But today, what I'm doing is I'm bringing you something that just hit the market and it's really unique. All right. We're about 2,000 square foot. It is a 3-story, and I'm shooting this intro inside because I want to keep the outside a little bit of a secret right now, because I can guarantee you that nothing like this exists anywhere else in Dripping Springs, Texas. Now, you can find this in larger metro areas. You can find something like this in Austin, Texas, or New York, or any of the major cities around. But Dripping Springs, Texas, this does not exist. So you're going to want to pay attention and watch the rest of this video. Let's start on the first floor of this 3-story, and let's take a look at what I've got to offer here. So like I mentioned, I'm going to start on the inside. I want to keep the outside a little bit of a secret here, but it's pretty obvious that the inside is not traditional. We'll say that. Guys, I will let you know, this is a non-traditional house. There's not a big yard, anything like that, swimming pool. So if you're looking for something like that, reach out to me. I'll put you in contact with different types of properties that may fit your needs a little bit better, but this is not that. Let's take a look at what this actually is. Like I said, 3 stories, about 2,000 square feet. The unique part about these designs are that there's a bedroom and a bathroom on each level. And we've got 3 different floor plans in here. This is just the first floor plan, but I'm going to start out showing some of the really nice upgraded features. Guys, this is not LVP. This is actually an engineered wood plank flooring. Very, very nice. And you're going to see throughout that we have got nicely upgraded features, really not high end, but very elevated features in here. Like these ceiling fans are Kichler ceiling fans. We've also got some Minka Air ceiling fans, Kichler light fixtures, things like that. And the overall structure, the overall style in here is a contemporary design. You can see that giant window back over here going through the back door. This is the garage here. This area that I'm in right now is on the first level, and the front door is right there. Again, very contemporary design here with that window there. But this is where the first bedroom and first bathroom are. So let's take a look at what this actually looks like. Bathroom, again, very nice. You've got a 2x1 tile on the floor, that nice wave tile, that textured tile in the shower. Really, really nice tile, clean look, bright, huge bathtub down here. Contemporary cabinets, really nice little cabinets here. Quartz countertops, and again, not little cheap quartz countertops. We're talking, let me get that thing right. Okay, we're talking a full 3-centimeter quartz countertops here. So again, the fixtures in here, you can see the faucets there. The fixtures are very nice, high-end fixtures. Not the highest end look. We're not talking Wolf appliances and things like that, but really, really, really nice features and fixtures. 8-foot doors going in. This is that first, I was going to call it an office because this is where I am officing. And you've got, this is a bedroom. It's the smallest of the bedrooms. It is on the first level. So this could make a good guest bedroom. It would make a great office. Tons of natural light in here. Looking out, you got green area across the street here. Tons and tons of natural light on this first level, actually on all the levels. So let's go ahead and head up to that second level, and I'm going to point out a few other things as we go here. Now, you'll see as we go up the stairs also have that hardwood floor on them. That is the most expensive place to put hardwood flooring. Really nice views and natural light everywhere. This is a south-facing building right here. So you're looking out on the Texas Hill Country. Nice views. Okay, we'll keep in here with that same hardwood floor that goes up to the main living area. So the second deck is the main living area. Walk into what would be the living room. Again, you've got all these huge windows on the sides. And each layer or each level is going to have its own little walkout porch area. Got room out there for like a high top dinette set or something like that. And you've got really nice views of the Texas Hill Country there. Again, 8-foot doors, giant glass. You've got tons of natural light everywhere in this place. And I showed you that living room, but let's take a look at the kitchen. Man, again, 3-centimeter quartz tops. You got that island in the middle. Okay, this is electric cooking. This is not gas, but really good sized kitchen for a 2,000 square foot place. You got the modern cabinets. And what I mean by modern, you just got this slick door, nice and easy to clean, really nice backsplashes, but everything in here is bright and filled with natural light. Again, we've got those Kichler fixtures, Area over here big enough. You could get a dining room table in here for 6. That's probably about the biggest dining room table you would get. But again, nice Kichler light fixtures and more of those huge windows looking out over the hill country. Like I mentioned earlier, every one of these levels is going to have its own bedroom and bathroom. So this is going to be the second bed. Before we get there, over here onto the left, this is your utility room. Really nice utility rooms. Great little tile texture on the floor. Again, everything has got bright light because of all the windows. So your utility room here is going to be on the second floor. And now we go into this bedroom, which this is a king size bed in here. So you have room, and this is not the master bedroom. You've got room in here for a king size bed, end tables. The bedrooms are carpeted. You can tell it's a little bit different sound when I come in here, a little bit quieter. And then right next to that bedroom here, oh, by the way, all those Kichler ceiling fans, they all have remote controls. All right, and then as we come through, the same general idea in this bathroom that's right next to there. You got that 1x2 tile on the bottom. You've got that really nice white tile, subway tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling in the bath. Nice, light, bright, black and white. You know, you've got these contemporary towel bars and fixtures everywhere. And that's constant through the house. It's not mismatched. It's a consistent theme throughout the house. And then again, you've got those nice solid surface countertops and those modern cabinets in all the bathrooms here. Now we're going to head up to the third level, which is the master. Again, bright windows, tons of natural light. You do have carpets coming up here. Now, before we get into that master bedroom, you've got a little landing area here that's big enough for a desk. So this could be a little office work area here. And again, it's not dark because you've got these giant plate glass doors. Again, 8-foot doors, even on the third level here. And you've got that outdoor walkout area that's giving you that massive hill country view again. All right, so let's take a look at this master, and these things are really nice. As I'm going over there, I'm remembering certain things. So you've got programmable thermostats on every floor. So all floors are zoned separately, and you can keep the temperature at different temperatures on those floors. If you need to sleep really cool in the master, you can do that and not freeze everybody else out. So heading into here, this master bedroom is absolutely massive. Just to give you an idea, you've got room between these windows for your king size bed, and then you've got the 32 inches for the window and then another 2 feet. So you've got about 5 feet on either side of a king size bed in here. And you've got way enough room for additional seating area. Maybe you have a big chest of drawers here on this side that you want to put in there, put a TV on top of. But this is a huge master bedroom. Again, high-end Kichler ceiling fans. And when I say the high-end ceiling fans, I guess I need to talk a little bit about that. All right, so here's the ceiling fans. And the thing that makes these really nice is they're DC motors, okay? You have AC motors, DC motors. DC motors are a lot quieter, and they're also a lot more energy efficient. So when you're looking at new construction, it's always a good idea to understand, hey, are they putting ceiling fans in there? Because a lot of new construction, you don't even get ceiling fans. You might get one in the living room, maybe, but then two, are they putting in the cheapest $50 fans they can find, or are they putting in $200 and $300 fans like these that have DC motors and are energy efficient? So always understand what you're buying. Okay, heading into this massive closet. Again, lots of light in here. There's no windows, but there's a lot of light in here. And one of the interesting things here is that it transitions to tile in the closet. So you're not gonna have, your clothes hold humidity enough, but that's another interesting thing is we're not in the bathroom. You see so many closets in bathrooms now, but we're not in the bathroom. We're separate from that. So your clothes are gonna hold a little bit of humidity, but you're not gonna have that the carpet in there holding humidity also. So that's a really nice feature. Your clothes aren't going to get as musty. And when you walk in, man, talk about a lot of storage space in here. There's got to be 30 feet or more of closet rods. And then you've got all this room for shoes. Wow, just absolutely wow. Huge closet up here. This entire master suite is massive. It's the whole third floor. Now we're going to check out this bathroom. Again, massive. Different tile, but that same 1x2 pattern. And I'm saying 1x2, it's a 1 foot by 2 foot tile. So it's not that cheap builder grade tile, the 13 square or whatever, 13-inch square, whatever that is. So it's a really nice tile format. And then you've got this huge vanity. Got a makeup area in the middle if you need. Nice mirror. A lot of times you're going to see mirrors that are just plate glass, but in this case it's setting on like almost like a picture frame. Again, nice upgrade. You're not going to see that in all new construction, especially when the mirror is this big. That's not a cheap mirror. I can guarantee you that. And then you have this huge shower. You've got your river rock on the bottom. And one of the things that you have to look for with river rock is I've seen the tile guys do a terrible job of this, because a lot of times this stuff comes in 1x1 sheets and you can see the 1x1 layouts in here, but this, they did it correctly. You can't. It looks like every one of those stones was placed by themselves. And then on this back wall, you've got a really nice pattern tile. But again, everything is very neutral, very light, very bright. This is a huge shower. It's 4 foot by, I think, 8. That same 3 centimeter solid surface quartz bench in here. So a really nice bench. And then I'm going to back up to give you this last little view of this again. Everything's got big windows, including the bathroom. And these windows, as you're standing in here, this part of the window is about at my shoulders, so you don't have to worry about anybody seeing in. And when you're showering, you look at the Texas Hill Country. Such a nice finish out in here. And then over here, you've got your shower station. Obviously, that slides up and down. It's a hand wand. Shampoo ledges over here on the left. And looking back into the bathroom. So that's the inside part. 2,000 square feet and very, very nice finishes. But I said that I was going to show you the outside after, because there's something very unique about this place. And again, it doesn't exist anywhere else in Dripping Springs, that's for sure. And very rarely does it exist outside of a large metropolitan area. I'm going to fast forward this sucker. We're going to go outside and I'm going to show you what that is. The reason these are so unique is they are in the heart of the Belterra Village Shopping Center. Like I said, this does not exist anywhere else. So these are condos, and I'll give you an idea of the outside here. There's 3 on this side, there's 4 on the other side. and that's why they're 3-story. But the thing with these is they are completely walkable to everything you would need. If you're not familiar with Belterra Village Shopping Center, you've got all kinds of eating options. Some of my favorite are the Switch, Hat Creek Burgers, you have the League, Torchy's Tacos, Pius Pizza, all kinds of food options. You've got snack options, right? Dunkin' Donuts, you've got a Baskin Robbins ice cream over there. We're about to have a Smoothie King, so that's all here. Right across the way, right there, oh, there's my finger. That's Gold's Gym. Okay, so you've got a Gold's Gym there. You've got Specs Liquor Store, you've got tanning, you've got boutiques, you've got aesthetic places. Everything you could possibly want is walkable from your door. Now, those units do have 2-car garages. You probably don't want to get rid of your car, so you do have 2-car garages in there. But experience a lock and leave lifestyle with everything walkable, including your grocery store, by the way. HEB is a little bit of a walk, but it's about a half mile. And if you wanted to walk to HEB, you could do that easily. And I'm just kind of cruising through the sidewalk or the parking lot here, kind of showing you some of the things. You've got Belterra Taekwondo, which is John Park, a good buddy of mine. You have Evo, the movie theaters are over here. A lot of different types of clinics and doctors' offices. You've got dentists, you've got chiropractors, and then that's just on this side of 290. Just across 290 on the north side, you've got even more options for food. By the way, there's a Chick-fil-A here. There's about to be an Italian place here. You've got Ace Hardware here, so if you need some stuff for home goods, that's available here. Again, these are things that if you were living in a downtown metro area, could be walkable within 5 or 6 city blocks. But here you get living in Dripping Springs. You get all the benefits of, if you've got kids that need to be in school, you've got Dripping Springs schools, but you're close to Austin. You're 25 minutes from downtown Austin here, 25 minutes from the airport, and your entire lifestyle, if you work from home, is you park your car and you just walk around. Tan It All, Bella Bee Boutique. This is Belterra Taekwondo, like I was saying, and I'm not going to take you all the way through the neighborhood, but you get the general idea. Club Pilates is here. There's a UPS store, Salon Mystique. All of that stuff is right here in Belterra and walkable from these units. So, like I said, extremely unique, not something that you're going to find anywhere else in Dripping Springs or any of the other suburbs for that matter. And if you don't want to live in a metro area, but you want all of these things, oh yeah, by the way, there's a vet clinic right over there, an animal hospital right over there as well. If you do not want to live in a major metro area, but you want the conveniences, these condos, the Hudson at Belterra, absolutely cannot be beat. Nothing else like you're gonna find anywhere in any of the suburbs in Austin or around Austin, I can guarantee you that. Guys, we'll see you on the next video.